Welcome, my friends, to my channel. I have a what's in my bag. This is the Tangerine Dooney Hanbag. This is the Sorrento leather, and it's in a 30. It's listed on the website as a Sorrento tangerine with pockets. Well, Sorrento with pockets. Sorrento 30 with pockets, and it's in the tangerine color. So I'm going to take some time to go through what's in this bag, and if you want to see what fits in here, stay tuned.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
Okay, so let's get started. Starting with the outside of the bag, I have this key pouch, which is a New York Mets, and it's in the shape of a baseball. It's genuine merchandise from the MLB. It's the New York Mets. It's in the shape of a baseball, and I have my lip gloss that I carry here for easy access. I don't have to dig in my bag, and I have that here. On the opposite side of the bag, I have two tangerines. Both of these came from Amazon. This is actually a pouch, and in here I have my AirPods that I carry in this pouch. And this is just a simple tangerine, so nothing there. This bag, as I said in the unboxing, you'll see that video, and I'll make sure I put it in the description. It does have two pockets, a front pocket and a back pocket. In the front pocket, I just have a little card wallet here. It's a Dooney and Birch, and it's in the natural, and that just fits nicely into that front pocket. I will tell you, in the back pocket, what I have been doing is slipping my phone in here. I can't show you because I'm filming with my phone. It doesn't fit so that it's covered, but if you stand it up, I can still put it in here and have easy access for my phone. I also, excuse the noise, I also have used this guitar strap. This is from Dooney and Burke. I ordered this. It's in the tangerine, and this is kind of a neutral shade of color for the actual strap, and it has some of the tangerine leather throughout on the strap, and it is adjustable. So it has the gold plated bracket here that allows the strap to be adjustable to the height that you need. It was a comfortable carry with it. Now, do know that the bag comes with this leather tangerine strap. I did not use this. I've been using the guitar strap, which I absolutely love. All right, so let's get into what we have. And I wanted to just do like colors everywhere with this bag on the inside. It's the summer. It's not quite summer, kind of spring, heading into summer. And I just wanted a whole lot of color, like a burst of color. This bag just reminds me of just happiness, fruit, things that make me happy during the summer, I guess. So I'm just going to give you a peek inside so you can see what that looks like, and then we'll start digging in. So right here on top, I'll just pick out the first thing. This little cute little pouch I picked up at my local hair store. I think it was like $1, and I'm using this as a candy pouch. Have some mints in there. So cute. Love, love, love her. I also have this eyeglass case, and I'm using this for my sunglasses that are in here. It's in kind of a I don't know if it's more like a mint green sort of color, but I do love these cases. I have plenty of them that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And I'm using my Deco print Continental wallet from Dooney, and it has the zipper on the back where I can carry some change, and then it has let's see, ID. Can't really show that. Hold on 1 minute. So, all right. an ID pouch, and then some cards in here. I can also carry some bills in there. So she paired very well with the bag. I also have attached to the key strap here is my Dooney key pouch. And I'm just going to unlatch that for a moment so you can see that. This is in the Caribbean blue, and I have my car keys and some other keys that I have in there as well. Then let's see, what do we have? What do we have? We have this other little pouch. I ordered this pouch from Amazon, and I liked it because it had so many different compartments. It had the compartment on the back. It had another zipper compartment in the front, and then on the top. And I loved these little heart zippers. But I had to order this item twice. The first time I ordered the little heart zippers was not on the bag. They was just, I guess they were broken off the bag. So I reordered it, and this one appears to be working. So in here, I haven't filled it up, but I do have like my extra store cards and gift cards in this pouch. And in the inside, if you can see there, there's a little pouch pocket in there, and then that's a big open slot. It has the get this out, the little key ring if you want to attach your keys there. And then I'll show you what these pockets look like. Just an empty area in here, so plenty that you can carry in there. But right now I just have my cards. All right, so let's see what else we have. What do we have? What do we have? What's next? What's next? What's next? I'm digging. Oh, these I love. This is my first little pouch. I was looking for some little pouches on Amazon. I picked her up, and I am in love with this little pouch. I'm gonna get some others in this same size for some of my other bags, but I picked it out really for the color, and it goes pretty nicely with the bag. And in here, I'm using this as, I was using this as my candy pouch, and I swapped it out for my electronic pouch where I have my JLab earphones in there. I have a wall charger, and I also have, this is just super cute, this charger cord that has the sunflower on the end. Super cute. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree as well. So that's what I'm using this for. So yes, this little pouch, this nylon pouch, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, and let's see. I am carrying for notes. I'm carrying my Louis Vuitton agenda, PM agenda in here. I am also trying to carry, let's see, I have some, these are some hand wipes, and these are the hibiscus extract. Smells really good, these hand wipes here. So picked up these, and these came from the Dollar Tree. I also have this pouch, and this is just like an everything pouch that I have here. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. It was a pencil pouch, and I just cut the holes, the ring holes off here, so I can use it like this. I love this as this vinyl package because I have things in here that can possibly spill, and I don't want to mess up my bag. So in here, I have a bunch of stuff, and you've seen most of this before. I have lotion in here, I have tissues, I have a manicure set, I have perfume oil in here, I have my contact lens cleaner, I have my contact lens case, I have some hand sanitizer in here. This right here is a, let me turn this around this way. This is a kid's card game, so when I have my grandchildren with me, I have something that they can play with. I have some back here, you can see that in there. That is some soap sheets in the pink, and then this is dental floss. Oh, and then I have another little lotion here. So I have two things of lotion. So this little package fit plenty in here. I have that. Then, let's see. There is more. There is more. Okay. There is, lean this stuff down for a second so you can see that a little bit better. You see that pocket right here? You can put more in that pocket. And what I have is my little book here, and this is my spiritual book. This one is the um, New International Version of the New Testament, and I have this in my bag. I love this cover on this book with all the fun colors and stuff. So, and it's easy. You would think that it's really small and you can't hardly read it, and it kind of is, but I have, I should say it that way, picked up, I should have showed this to you, to carry on my keychain now, is this little tool, which some of you may not need this now, but I need it now, and it is a magnifying glass. So if anything gets too small, I can always pull out my little magnifying glass and magnify it so I can see what I'm reading a little better. All right, and that is her. Wrap her around this way. And then let's see, go ahead. Okay, in the side pocket here, the front pocket side, I have the hand sanitizer, and this is same scent as the wipes here. I also have a cuticle oil pen, and this is peach. So this is in a peach scent. I have some writing utensils. This is a orange ink pen. We had this. This is from a chiropractor office in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And then this is a gel pen, and it actually writes, if you can see that, but it has orange ink. Picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and that ink, let's see, I can show you what that looks like. See, orange ink there. So that is super cute. I think that's all I had in that pocket. And let's see, did I have anything in the back? I believe that is, I'm just doing a final check. And that is it, folks. That's all, folks. That's all I had in this bag. And I have been carrying her, like I said, for about a little less than a week. The weather has changed this week, and it has gone from like really, really sunny in my area to a rain and windy. And guess what? Because she is not the Florentine leather, she is able to withstand all of it. So I am super happy that this is one of those bags that I don't really have to worry about changing her out. And I do have the Florentine on order, but this bag, again, this is the Sorrento. It's the Sorrento 30 with pockets. I think that's how they list it. Sorrento 30 with pockets. This color is the tangerine. And I also have her in the fuchsia. And I have on order I'm sorry, I'm just trying to stand all this up. I have on order the blue. It just says blue, but I think it looks more like the blue in this New York pouch. Looks more like a royal blue. But I ordered her about mm, 10 days ago, probably longer than that. And it hadn't moved. It just has confirmed. So if anyone knows what that means, does that mean that it's coming soon or what? I don't know what that means. But either way, I am loving the wear of the Sorrento 30. I will be looking at her in a neutral color, like a black, also that I can probably carry year round. I have not seen that one pop up on the website, so that would be the next color that I would get in this Sorrento 30. So there she is. Thank you for hanging out. If you have any questions or you want to see anything else in more detail, just let me know. Thank you for subscribing, those of you who are subscribers. And if you are new, hit the subscribe button so you're notified of any other new videos that I may post. All right, listen, be good to yourself and have a great day, week, month, year, life. Bye-bye. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.